Today we have a 2007 Ford Fusion. We'll be replacing the driver door handle. Alright, so I'm going to be working a little backward today. As you can see, I already replaced the door handle here. Pretty much, in order to get to this door handle, a few things you're going to have to do. First off, you're going to remove this little cover here, a little flathead or a pry tool. And with the T20, you're going to remove this screw here and then slide this cover around the door handle out. I'm going to cover that up. Also going to need a number 7 socket to remove the one in the little cubby here. And then once you do that, pry this out with a little pry tool, unplug it, pull it out, get it out the way. Same with this part here, as I mentioned earlier. After you kind of work around the door handle, just pull the door handle out and bring it out. Just unplug it, take it to the side. And then with the same T20, you're gonna remove 2 more Torx screws. One is located right here. The other one is located right here at the bottom, right there. Once you remove those, just pull the door handle off with a little pry tool, and pretty much you'll have access to everything. Once you do that, you will see where the door handle sits, and there will be a number 8 bolt that holds it in place. And from there, we can get everything out and start changing it out. So now that we've removed it from that bolt holding it in place there, we're just gonna take this cable off of here, just push up on here and then just remove it from there. And then we're gonna go ahead and install the new door handle latch and reinstall it to here. So with the new door handle here, I'm just gonna slide this cable in to this hole here.
So all it has for you.
And then clipping it in like so right here. All right, so went ahead and just bolted it in right there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get the door panel back on. So a good way to test it, just push this down here, like so. Go ahead and check the locking mechanism, just push the lock in, make sure it doesn't open up, or so it doesn't do anything. So now that it's unlocked, you'll see it pop up, showing that we're good to go. So now we'll just get the door panel back on. So I'm putting the door panel back on. Be sure to feed the wires through just to make your life a little easier. Just feed them through everywhere, and then now we're just gonna snap everything into place with these plastic clips here. It goes in the holes, and these obviously are like the guide pins in a way. It goes to the big holes. There's some on each side. So let's get it in place, snap it in, then we'll tighten all those screws back in. So now that we have the door panel snapped back into place, we're gonna go ahead and plug everything back up, and pretty much just this right here is just gonna have to work around the door handle here. Just slide it in. Place it in, then we'll put the screw back on. Same with this concept here, plug everything up and slide it in, and then you're also going to screw it back in here as well. So let's get these parts in. So with this part here, I just want to do a quick little video to show. Just pretty much open the door handle a little bit, slide it in, and just work around it. The wire on the side here, pull it out a little further, and just kind of work it in like so. So there you are. And just gotta screw it back in now. Now, when installing this part here, after you plug her up, you'll notice that there's like a little lip right there. So it goes in this direction like so, forward first, then pushing it down in. And then just reinstall the screw that's in the cup holder here, little cubby here. And you're pretty much done with that. So just put the screws back in. There'll be one right here, as we mentioned earlier, one on the bottom, and pretty much it, that's it. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. More videos to come.